Hi friends, in this video I will be showing how to select and use front load washing machine cover for Samsung washing machine. Before buying a cover, first we have to check the back side of our washing machine and identify the location of inlet and outlet pipes and electric wire. You can see this cover has two holes on back side. Let me put this cover on top of this Samsung front load washing machine. We can put cover like this, then lock the front side using provided zip lock. You can see the front side is transparent. On back side, as I said, we can see two holes. Via these two holes we can take inlet and outlet pipes and electric wire outside. So let me check the back side. See, so this way we can take inlet and outlet pipes and electric wire outside. See, this is a final setup. You can see the electric wire, inlet pipe, and below we can see the outlet pipe. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like and share the video. As I said, before buying this type cover, first we have to check back side of our washing machine and identify the location of inlet and outlet pipes and electric wire. Okay,